Welcome back. Let's unbox the HONOR X6c, which we have here, the latest in HONOR's X number line of products. It's not along the flagship, but this is along the most affordable ones, especially this coming 9/9. They're having a sale, which brings it down to just over 4,000 pesos. Right, so this model that we got here is in the ocean cyan color. This is a dual SIM phone with the advanced AI capabilities. I do believe this is a straightforward package. We have here the phone, this ocean cyan colorway, pretty shiny. Yeah, we have documentation, a jelly case, very important for longevity. What's this one? It's a supercharged power brick that is 1.2 amps, 11 volts max. Yep. A to C cable for this charger right here. So this one has its camera in the center inside of the screen. We have, oh, what's this button? Oh, this is probably the one-click AI that I've been hearing about. So there's a button here that we'll see what that does. Okay, we have the power here, the volume rocker, USB-C input, a headphone jack, nice. And we have got our SIM card slot here. Sealed. This is a combo one. The micro SD there available. So it can be an expansion. We'll just get into this and get back. Okay, we're back. Now inside the device, we can see what this button here on the left side of the device does. Oh, look at that. One press and you have a mobile assistant that can do all of these things. It's like a shortcut key for many things. You can control what goes in on that. Basically, you can summon it anytime you want. Let's see what we have here. So this is using the MediaTek G81 with 6 gigs of RAM, 720p resolution, and 256 gigs of storage capacity. 5300 milliamp hours battery. Very powerful. First, let's check. Yes, it is the volume rocker. And this is the power button. That's it. I think Honor has another banger here with the X6c. And that's it for the unboxing. See you guys next time. Bye.